Good morning, 8th class. How are you? Today's lesson is types of climate. Let's start. As you know, Asia is the largest continent. It is extend from polar to equator. In Asia, we have so many mountains, plateaus, oceans, deserts, plains. And in this one, we have different types of elements of climate. Also, we have like atmospheric pressure, temperature, humidity. So all these things affects the climate of Asia. So because due to that, we in Asia, we experience different types of climate. At almost 10 types of climate we experienced in Asia. Even then you can see in the map, in the index also, you can see equatorial, monsoon climate, humid subtropical, temperate, Mediterranean, temperate desert, savanna, hot desert, cold desert, tundra and highlands. So now these one we will discuss one by one. First is tundra climate. Even then you can say polar, where you will get tundra climate in the polar region. The northern coast of Asia experience a tundra climate. Northern region means up where. This is Russia all, and this is the upper part of the Russia. Here we will experience tundra climate. Okay. Which is include a narrow belt on the Russian shore towards the north. It is not very vast belt. It is a narrow belt, small belt. If you will see, it start from here and up to it will go to the little bit in the east side of the Russia. Okay. Here what we have, mostly we have cold weather and summer is very short. Here is hardly any rain. Most of the time we will get precipitation in the form of snow. And this is up sometime in the summer season. What happen? Upper part of the ices get melted, but subsoil remains permanently frozen throughout the year due to the extreme cold temperature. Due to this, we don't get here any trees. Here vegetation is fungus, algae. Okay, it is written here in the form of mosses and lichens. It means algae, green. You can see in India also, especially when it's a rainy season. That type of vegetation we will get it. Second is taiga or temperate, cold temperate weather. Taiga climate also, it is from tundra to southwards. Okay, it is also in the Russia we will get this type of climate. Central Siberia is classified as a taiga. Central Siberia is the part of Russia. So in taiga climate also, we experience more winter and short summer, but only the difference here, sometime we will get it here moderate rainfall. Okay, here also the amount of precipitation is similar to the precipitation of the tundra region, like form of snow. And sometime in the summer season, summers are short and warm with moderate rainfall. In what is the difference between tundra and taiga? In tundra we don't get any rainfall, but in taiga climate we will get some rainfall when in the summer season. Now number 3 is Manchurian type climate. This is also the Manchurian type of climate occurs in northeastern part of China, including the Manchurian plain, and it stretches all the way till the Japanese island of Hokkaido. The Manchurian type climate also have cold winters, while summer is usually short and warm. It also have a moderate rainfall similar to the monsoon rains. During winters, temperature fall below minus 10 degree in some places. One will also find here, this is, look here, coniferous forest. Here we will get the vegetation because here we have rainfall and temperature. In summer it get little bit high. Okay, so once we'll also find in taiga climate also we will get this type of forest and in the Manchurian type. Now see, in these, first is tundra, second taiga and the Manchurian. What is similar in this one? Mostly these type of climates is winter is long and severe winter. Only in tundra climate we don't get rainfall, but in taiga and Manchurian we will get rainfall. Okay. And moderate rainfall when we will get the rainfall in the summer. Now number 4 is China type. From name, this type of weather we will get in China, at the China side. The China type of climate is found in central China, Japan and Korea. It is eastern coast. Winds have a major contribution in the type of climate that exists. Here which element influence winds? Okay, as the region line within the course of the trade winds, Trade wind means prevailing winds, which we have always. Nobody can change. So here we have moderate rainfall throughout the year. Winters also same here, cool, and summers are hot and also have more rainfall. When we will get more rainfall? In the summer. Rainfall we will get here throughout the year, but more rainfall we will get it in the summer. And what is the more important feature of China type weather? Trade winds. Here we will get trade winds, and trade winds affects the climate of China. Now, number 5, mid-latitude desert climate. Like name, mid-latitude. Middle, in Asia we have 90 latitudes lines. Okay, so it is fall where it is in the middle. Okay, so mid-latitude desert climate experienced in region lying north and northeast to the region experience China type of climate. This region has a temperature desert that covers an area from the steppes into and across the Mongolian plateau. The mid-latitude desert type of climate is characterized by hot summer with scanty rainfall, while winters are again here severe with below freezing temperature. Here in mid-latitude desert climate, here we will get more severe summer and not severe summer, by hot summer means temperature is high with scanty rainfall, while winters here again severe and sometime temperature will go below freezing, okay, below -0 degree. Now come 6th is temperate grassland. The temperate grassland climate is experienced in the southwest of Siberia. In Siberia is in Russia, so it is in the southwest, down and the west part, and also in the eastern region of Mongolia. The climate is characterized by cold winter and hot summer with some rain. Rainfall is very less, and the temperate grassland region or the steppes is too far inland to experience the effect of rain-bearing winds. Try to understand. Rainfall is very less here as the temperate grassland region. This is a temperate grassland region or the steppes is too far inland to experience the effect of rain-bearing winds. Now, what is the steppes? A large area of land with grass but no trees. Here we will get mostly grass but no trees, especially where we get Eastern Europe, Russia and the Central Asia. Steppes can be found in the both cold and warm environments, but where we will get less rainfall, there we will get steppes. It's type of a grass, it's not a tree. Number 7, Mediterranean climate. From the name, it is Mediterranean climate. We will get this type of climate. As you will see in Asia continent, where you have Turkey and all this, down is Mediterranean Sea. So this area, which if it affects Mediterranean Sea, affects the climate of this area. Western Asia experience a Mediterranean climate. This refers to the small coastline of the Mediterranean Sea and is therefore referred to as the Mediterranean type of climate. In this one, which countries come? Syria, Lebanon, Israel and Turkey. This is the west part of the Asia. Why it Mediterranean climate? Because down here is Mediterranean Sea, so it affects the climate also. The Mediterranean type of climate is characterized by hot and dry summer with mild and wet winter. Because sea is there, as you know, where we have sea, we don't get winter here. It's almost most of the time its temperature is high, and here we mostly experience summer. Okay, now come tropical desert climate. The tropical desert climate seen in the Arabian Desert. Okay, in the Middle East, western part of the Asia. This is Saudi Arabia and Thar Desert, India and Pakistan. There is not much variation with respect to the seasonal temperature, but the variation is noticeable in the day and night temperature. Winters are cold and summers are hot. There is a very little rain that occurs during the summers. In India we have Thar Desert, and in Saudi Arabia also there is desert. And you know, desert weather is how daytime is very hot. Very, very hot means very hot, especially in the summer. But nighttime it's cool down. But in the winter, sometime day temperature little bit go down, but mostly it is hot, and night is cold in winter time. And mostly we here experience summer season, hot season. Okay, now come monsoon type climate. In India, we have monsoon type climate, as you know. As present, we have a monsoon weather. A large part of the Asian continent comes under the monsoon climate and includes the Indian subcontinent. In this one type of weather, which countries come? Laos, Thailand, Myanmar, Cambodia, with Vietnam and southern China. South part of Asia and southeast. Here, as you know, in India, we have winters very cold or very most cold, and summer is very hot with 4 months of rain. Like it start from rainy season start like 15th of July or sometime June up to September. It's the monsoon season. Okay, and sometime it will go long. So this is called monsoon type of climate, and where we experience in south part of Asia and South Asia. Okay, now equatorial type climate. Equatorial type climate, it is these places near the equator, from the name equatorial type climate. The areas located near the equator experience a hot and humid climate, because here we have excessive rainfall. Because day is very hot, then evening time, most of the time we have rainfall there. This type of climate is known as an equatorial climate. Regions which have a hot and humid climate throughout the year with excessive rainfall is said to be the experience an equatorial climate. There is no dry season, because it is every day, most of the time we will get rainfall. And the rainfall is equally distributed in all months of the year. Whole year we will have rainfall here. So here is very humid type temperature, and vegetation is also very dense here. The temperature rises 32 degrees centigrade and May decreases only 27 degrees centigrade. Temperature not go that high and not come very down. Rainfall is known to peak during equinox season. Equinox. Okay, in Asia, equatorial climate is found in countries that lie within the latitude of 10 degree north and south. Okay, because you know the line of equator pass from here. Equator, and including which part? In Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines and Singapore. These are all islands. Okay, due to here most of the time temperature is 32 degree and it will only go down up to 27 degrees. Okay, here we don't experience any cold weather. So it is all about climate of types of climate. Here in the map you can see one is written highlands, because it is not explained here. So I am going to explain highlands. Highland means where we experience mountains. And mountains climate depends upon the elevation and what type of how much mountains the high and what type of temperature or weather climate is in the where we have mountains. Like you can see this part. This is central. It's up where here Himalayas, and this is Pamir Knot here. All these mountains. Okay, even on this side also Armenian knots. So all these mountain, Kush ranges, Suleiman ranges, all these. Here the climate depends upon the elevation, atmospheric pressure. How is the atmospheric pressure here, and downfall here, down. How is and sometimes it's suppose in India this side we have Delhi. Okay, sometimes in Delhi its winter is severe and summer is also very severe. It does not affect. Sometimes it affects, but sometimes not. Most of the times these mountains climate it depends upon the elevation, atmospheric pressure. How is even an elevation also, height of the mountain. As we will go up, atmospheric pressure is less. So this is called the highlands of Asia, and it's have different type of climates of its own. Okay, so like in the mountains area, as we know experience, most of the time we have cold weather, cold weather, and especially in winter severe cold, and in summertime we have little bit cool. Sometime here we have rainfall, and sometimes these mountains mostly it's covered with snow. So it is about highlands. Even then you can see this climatic region. Equatorial, why it is very dark green? Because whole year we will get rainfall. Monsoon little bit, because in 4 months we will get this type of rainfall we will get in 4 months in the year. So this is called monsoon climate. Humid subtropical means where day is very hot and then rainfall. Okay, so temperate east coast. So you can see this map also. Okay, and in the next lesson I will explain this map also nicely. Thank you for today's lesson.